What's going on, guys? Kenney Conwell here, and I'm outside the Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta, and this is a beautiful thing. Now, this bank, there's nothing federal about it. It's a private bank that many people don't know about. It's private, and it loans money to the U.S. government. Now, I won't get into all the intricacies and the details of how that's even possible and why it's set up, but what I will say is that this is where the banks go to get their credit, right? It's the American way. Now, never has there been in any history of mankind so much potential to go out and get what we'll call the bank's money to go buy real assets. Now, your determining factor to be able to get money from the bank is your credit score, is your income, and it's the way that you're going to use that money. Now, many of us, because we didn't come from money, we weren't taught about money, we don't understand money, we think that this money is designed to keep us in debt and keep us enslaved. And to a certain degree, it could be if that's how you view it. Or you can say, hey, look, what I'm gonna do is figure out, because if I don't come from trust fund money and they have the money, how can I leverage my credit profile and my know-how, my financial education to get their money, use the American way, and then take that to grow my assets and my net worth. And that's what you gotta do. But when you look around and you notice how this system is really set up and how it's really truly going on, you can say, hey, look, if you can't beat them, join them. And if you would join them, make sure you know the rules of the game, because what's understood need not be discussed, and they won't break down the rules to you because it's not their duty to do that. It's your duty. And the duty, the rules, the blueprint is your knowledge, is your education, is getting the proper information, and then listening to people who've already demonstrated in their own actual life that they have the results, and then applying those principles to get the results. So, I wrap up. If you want to get money from the bank, start with your credit, get a blueprint, and then use that money to go buy assets, because assets are going to appreciate with time, assuming you buy a right asset, and then you'll keep increasing your net worth and building legacy for your family.